profitable future belongs to those who think more. More capacity, more cost efficiency, more range. That future begins with an aircraft that can deliver all three. The Boeing 737 MAX 10, your most profitable single-aisle aircraft ever. With 230 seats, the MAX 10 offers the largest seating capacity of any aircraft in the 737 MAX family. For a fleet of 50 MAX 10s making just 4 flights daily, that adds up to 46,000 passengers each day, or 17 million people per year. What's more, the MAX 10 flies each of those 17 million seats for less than any other single-aisle aircraft ever. And not just a little less, but a lot less, like 5% less. 5% of 17 million? That comes to 850,000 seats every year at no operating cost, which means more fares, more ancillary income, and more profits for you. The MAX 10 can also carry your passengers farther than any existing 737 route and carry them in style, with amenities like the spacious Boeing Sky interior and high-speed Wi-Fi that'll keep them coming back to fly with you time and time again. With the Boeing 737 MAX 10, unrivaled profits await you because it's simply the most profitable single-aisle aircraft you'll have ever flown. So when you think more, think Boeing 737 MAX 10.